Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I don't know if you remember a video or two ago, I was supposed to do you a low and slow on a pork butt, but some dummy didn't pull it out in time to thaw. We're doing it today. Actually, we're doing it tomorrow. I'm prepping this the night before. Can't do it low and slow because I work for a living and this is a weeknight. I'm gonna prep this tonight. We're gonna throw it in the crock pot in the morning and let her go all day while I'm at work, and we'll have this for dinner tomorrow or later on in this video for you. Let me show you what we're doing. All right, you see we got this fat cap here. It's not that thick on this one. I'm not gonna do much to it. I'm gonna leave everything as it is, to be quite honest with you. I am gonna score this, put some X patterns so the seasoning will get through on this. So I'm just gonna take this, I need to sharpen my knife, and I'm just gonna make some cuts through the fat. Boy, that knife is dull. Let me fix this. Should have grabbed my Nakano knife to begin with. You should know better than that, Rogers. No, much better. Link below if you'd like one of these. I think it's a 20% discount. You can use the link and get on this knife. 10 or 20, I don't remember. So much better. I'm gonna cut that one, if you can see that one little sliver. I don't like that, kind of ugly. Well, it probably will render down. All right. As usual, we are gonna do a mustard binder on this. Doesn't have to be mustard, anything you wanna use. You might not need it at all on some of these. Okay. I picked up this, I may have used it before, I don't really remember. It's from the Rib Rack. Their spice rub is for pork. I just seen it and wanted to give it a try, so here we go. This is all we're using too, guys. There's a big chunk of meat, so don't be afraid to add some. It's a brand new bottle, so it's not pouring very well. But don't be afraid to float it on here. Ooh, I might have to change that to a different shaker. That is not. Yeah, I'll be back. All right, transfer that to a backup shaker, and that is so much better. It smells good, I'll give it that. We're gonna throw this on pretty heavy, guys. Be sure to get all your sides. Every little crevice needs to be seasoned. Don't be shy. Straight into the crock pot. I hope it'll fit. I couldn't do a bigger one in there. Put her lid on. This is going in the fridge, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, folks. We're gonna set this on low, and I'll see you back in maybe 10 or so hours. Guys, I hope you can see that. Get on in here. We are definitely done. We're right at 200. It was actually over 200 a minute ago. 195. I'm gonna get this pulled, guys, and we'll come back and, oh, definitely over 200 right there. We'll get a taste of this. guys, that is enough for dinner. Let's get over here and get a taste of this. And we're gonna fix dinner for my family. Got a late dinner going on for us. Alright guys, this is clearly not my favorite way to do this. Rather be out there doing it low and slow like I had originally planned. Ooh, that is hot though. Woo! We get a bite. Looks good, smells good. A little gristle or something in there. Got some fat in there. The seasoning did well. That was that rib rack? The rib rack spice rub for the pork. Not bad. I can taste it. Get another bite. I'm getting ready get a bite of that. One more bite for you guys. That is very good. It's hard to mess it up. Don't be shy on the seasoning, because that's a big chunk of meat. It can take it, I promise you. So guys, thank you as always. Said this was kind of a backup plan. I just didn't want the meat to go bad, and it's a crazy week at work. So yeah, did it in the crock pot. Crock pot pulled pork. Very tasty. When you can't get out there and do it low and slow, don't be afraid to throw it in a crock pot with some good seasonings. Let her go. This was probably a good 10, 11 hour cook. And it was done when I got home. So guys, thank you as always. Hit that like button, it helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.